Beyond the bench, my past work as a legislator required a courage of a different kind, finding ways to deal with conflict, negotiating across divides, and crafting laws and policies that provide for gender justice, including the Sexual Offences Act, the maternity and paternity benefits, and in the African Union, working on the Maputo Protocol on Women's Rights. The second value which is most important to a judge of the ICC is pragmatism, which means balancing ideals with realities, ensuring that justice is principled, workable, and trusted by those it serves. By crafting solutions that respond to specific needs of member states, ensuring accountability, and strengthening domestic institutions so that justice is not perpetually outsourced to the ICC. My career has been shaped by institutions where the law meets life, in civil society, at the African Union, the United Nations, in the National Parliament, at the Pan-African Parliament, at the Committee of Experts that drafted the Constitution of Kenya, and in the judiciary, where I have learned the importance of being pragmatic. My vision, therefore, for the ICC is about grounding ideals in lived realities, ensuring that the ICC serves not only as a court of last resort, but also as a partner in building resilient national systems of justice, a court that applies legal principles equally across all the regions of the world. Efficiency, ladies and gentlemen, is the third characteristic vital for a judge of the ICC, and it means more than case management. It means integrating modern systems, streamlining investigations, accelerating hearings, and to reduce the time victims have to wait for justice. As a former criminal prosecutor, working under the Director of Public Prosecutions in the AG's office, and as a judge of a collegial court, I have worked to ensure consistency in the application of rules, to run a court effectively, and to manage hearings in a way that prevents delays. This experience has taught me that efficiency is about structure, discipline, and foresight, and it is this experience that I also bring to the ICC.